Hey there, Michael Brody here. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic that's transforming the way American businesses are operating. Brace yourself as we uncover the secret of replacing American employees with equally skilled talent in the Philippines. Get ready to unlock a world of cost savings and, of course, increased profitability. For years, online businesses like e-commerce have been tapping into the power of skilled Filipino talent. They've been leveraging their expertise while saving big bucks, a lot of money. But guess what? This secret has now spread beyond the digital realm, and it's found its way into traditional businesses too. That's right. Traditional businesses like logistics companies and realtors, they're reaping the benefits of this game-changing strategy by replacing some of their American employees with equally skilled staff in the Philippines. They're slashing costs like never before, and they're really making a lot more money. By the way, not only American businesses, but I'm also seeing so many businesses in the UK, Canada, Australia. Those businesses, the pennies dropped as well. It makes sense. Let's talk numbers, and we'll get down to brass tacks. Okay, so we're not just talking about a few pennies, a few quid here. We're talking about a lot of money. We're talking about thousands of dollars. We're talking about millions of dollars for businesses in annual employee cost savings. It's like, finding a treasure trove of opportunity right at your fingertips. You just see it and then boom, you can implement it and do tremendous. But don't just take my word for it. We've spoken to business owners who've made the leap, and their stories are jaw-dropping. It's incredible what some of these businesses are doing. They share the strategy. They reinvest back into the business. They drive innovation. They expand their operations. It's just great what they're doing. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to include a link in the description of the video to case studies, and it's going to blow you away. And what makes all this possible in the first place is the incredible talent in the Philippines. You're going to be hiring equally skilled talent. You're going to be people who are fluent in English, people who have expertise in a bunch of different things. These professionals in the Philippines, they're ready to take on the challenge. They're ready to help your business thrive. They're going to be, grateful for the opportunity as well. You're going to hire great people. And this is really where the magic happens. Platforms like VirtualStaff.ph have already gathered over 1 million talented Filipino staff, talent to choose from. And you've got all that at your fingertips. You can tap into it. It's incredible what you can do. And here's the best part. They work from the comfort of their homes. They work in the Philippines. This eliminates the need for you to navigate complicated legislation and red tape that often comes with hiring employees domestically in the States, UK, Australia. You know what I'm talking about. But VirtualStaff.ph, for example, it's not just for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Major companies like Virgin and some of the biggest names in the world have recognized the power of the platform. They've booked calls with our client success managers and talked about strategies to implement. They've turned to VirtualStaff.ph because they've recognized that you can get top quality talent and you can, really save a fortune on employee costs. It makes a lot of sense. So here's what I'd say. If you're ready to discover the secrets of slashing costs, maximizing profit, and accessing a pool of over 1 million talented Filipino staff, it's time to take your business beyond borders. Join the movement. Unlock the power of skilled Filipino talent. You can see results like never before. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel for more game-changing insights. Until next time, keep exploring new frontiers and achieving, tremendous business success for your business. And remember, the aim of the game is for you to do 2 things in business. This is what I always say to people. Number 1, provide a great product or service to your customers. And number 2, be as profitable as you possibly can. You deserve it. See you on another video. If you'd like to hire staff and build a team in the Philippines, then go to www.virtualstaff.ph, the Philippines outsourcing marketplace.